Hello guys, welcome back to another chemistry video by Miss Thomas. Today we're gonna be identifying whether or not a reaction takes place, and we're gonna be doing two tests. Now before we start the experiment, you guys need to remember that there are 5 signs of a chemical reaction. The first sign, if a chemical reaction took place, is whether or not heat is absorbed or produced. Now we can test this by using a thermometer, and we can see if there is an increase or a decrease in temperature. Another way we can test to see if a chemical reaction took place is by observing color changes. Now the liquid can change from one color to another, for example from a blue color to a yellow color. Another way we can test if a chemical reaction took place is by observing to see whether or not the reaction produced any solids. Now we call these solids precipitate. If a precipitate is produced, then maybe a chemical reaction took place. The final way we can test to see if a chemical reaction took place is to look at our reactants and see if there are any bubbles. If there is any bubbles, then we call this effervescence in chemistry. If an effervescence is present, then this shows that a gas was produced. If a gas was produced, then a reaction took place. Another way we can test to see if a gas was produced is by seeing if the reaction produced any odor. If there is any foul smell, any choking smell, then you can say that a reaction took place. So please remember the 5 signs of a chemical reaction: change in temperature, change in color, formation of a precipitate, odor, or effervescence. Now, as you look at the 2 tests conducted today, please look to see which one of the tests shows signs of a chemical reaction. If there's no signs of a chemical reaction, then no reaction took place.
Later. my dollars, make it hurt.